Thank you for tuning in. Paul here. I got an '01 Mercedes E430 4MATIC. I was driving this morning. I went about 20 miles and it felt like it was shifting funny. So I shut the car off and restarted it, and then it seemed normal. Then I drove like another 15-20 miles, made a stop at the store, and it started slamming into gear. And then just as I was pulling in, I got a check engine light. First thing I'm going to do is check the fluid level. You can buy these dipsticks on eBay or Amazon, Mercedes transmission dipstick. You got to check the fluid level when the engine's warm. Warm it up to normal operating temperature. These transmissions are real funny about fluid levels. I doubt that the fluid level is screwed up, but first things first. Now it's looking like my fluid level's high. I'm not even getting fluid on the dipstick here. That would definitely do it if I'm leaking transmission fluid, huh? Maybe I blew a transmission line? There we go. Getting above full. It's a little over full. I'm a little over full. That would do it too. These are real touchy with transmission fluid levels. Check it one more time. It's flaky with this stick. That feels like it's hitting the bottom. Nothing. Damn dog hair. Yeah, I'm showing a little above full. I'll let that cool down and take another fluid level reading when it cools down, see where I'm at. I'm gonna go get my scanner and put it on here and see what kind of codes we got. The Autel MaxiSys MS906 on here, on a 38-pin connector. I have to enter the VIN number manually on here. I just started the scan. We'll see what comes up. This is going to take a little while, so I'm not going to bore you to death. We'll let that scan and see what's coming up. Come up with a load of scans. I'm going to get stuff like audio. I don't care about this. I got a fault on the AC. I have a leak in the AC system here. It is not charged. I don't want to attach any photos to this. Alright, the one I'm seeing that is probably giving me the problem is this ETC, electronic transmission control. I don't know if the glare is getting you on here, guys. Fault 2 and motor electronics, fault 1. I'm going to take pictures of these and use Google to help me out. I'm doing a print file with this. I hope I can email this. I'm going to just unhook this and do Google Print. Google Cloud Print. Web page not available. Let me take this tool in and see if I can get this to print out this report for me. Fault is stored in component N15.3. That's your electronic transmission control module. Speed comparison, implausible. Speed sensor may be going on here. CAN bus off, stored. I could be having a problem with the speed control on the transmission, I think. Damn glare. I'm going to clear these codes, see if we have a repeat of this problem, or if this was just some intermittent fault. I'm going to do a quick erase, see if they come right back. Scanning it again. It's going to take a while. Okay guys, I reset the codes on that. They didn't come back up. again, so it's an intermittent issue. The speed sensor may be starting to go on that transmission. I'm going to have to drive it and see if it happens again, and we may have to put a speed sensor in there. I will be looking that up, information on that, and what I find, I will share with you guys, okay? All right, let's see if we can find out what's going on here. Well, I found a little bit more information on that 722.6 transmission. There's two speed sensors that are on the conductor plate. A little over a year ago, I did a transmission flush on that, and while I was at it, I put a new conductor plate on that and did a ohms test on all my solenoids, and they came back reading normal with a normal spec. I took the car out again today, just a couple of days after I made the video, and it did the same fault again. My fluid is a little over full. I don't think that's the cause. I think I might have to get a conductor plate and throw another conductor plate in this thing. But I'm going to try to drop my fluid down a little bit to spec, because these transmissions are flaky on fluid levels. So I'll keep you up to date. If I got to put a conductor plate in, there will be a video on me throwing that in. I've done it before, so this time it'll go quicker. All right, guys. Remember, take good care of your cars. Sometimes they'll take good care of you. Bye-bye.